folks, what is happening. Can you see that? DK5ONV/portable on the Rhine River. I just covered my my radio, and look at this. Whoa! That's fun, man. Look at it. Look at it. We got snow. Really bad. There's the radio.
Charlie X-ray Delta. Calling CQDX. CQDX.
Yeah.
Tango 1, Charlie X-ray Delta. Calling CQDX and standing by.
So everything is safe. Yeah, it's a little cold, you know, for my taste.
Delta X-ray, go ahead.
And we will see. Look at this. Snow. Ice rain. It's ice rain, actually.
Well, I catch you a little bit down on frequency anyway.
Yeah.
It's okay now. I connect radio.
That won't stop Uncle Günther from going portable and talking to the whole world. Never. DK5ONV/portable in the ice rain. Look at it.
Now I copy quite well.
Whoa.
5 and 5. 5 and 5.
73s. Bye bye.